Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a very exciting video because I am done having a blank background for my vlogs and for my videos. Today I'm putting up my 2021 vision board. Oh my goodness, can you guys believe it? 2021 is coming so fast. You guys are seeing this. I'm filming this a day before. Usually I don't wait that long, but I didn't have the materials to film for a couple days, so it was like, you know. Anyways, so yeah, let's just get straight on into the video. I'm very excited. So I have all my collages. I have multiples of the same collages because I always mess up. So when I cut them in the video, I probably will end up ripping one of them. So we're gonna have to use another one. I have my goals over here, which I will insert the footage now. So I made those goals like a while ago. So the game plan is to make all like the signs and the goals and everything. So the game plan for putting everything up is I always put like, I always write the goals out and then like stick them. So we'll do that in this vlog, and then we'll like stick the pictures on too. So I said vlog, but in this video, it's video, you guys, not vlog. Let's get straight on into it. Again, if you guys didn't see my last video, I will link it in the eye, but you guys can see like the 3 little things that I kept. That's like where I need to like start. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the label for the 2021 like actual like thing, because the last time I made like this huge thing saying like 2020 vision board, this year's gonna be the 2021 vision board. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, you guys, lighting is kind of weird because like you can see it, but let me zoom in maybe a little bit. So I'm gonna do a time lapse, but this is all of the material that I have decided to like use. I have a bunch of different options. I have 3 different blank papers to see which design I'm going for, what I want to do, because honestly I don't really know what I'm going to do for the colors. I probably should have kept the colors from last year, taken a picture or something, but I don't even remember or anything like that. So I guess maybe I'll have to go back to my video and take a screenshot of something of it so I can see what I did. Because this year, you know, I've been trying to do some more calligraphy, but I feel like I'm not going to do it because I know I probably will mess up and then hate it. So obviously all I'm going to put for the title is just 2021 vision board, and we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll do like a soft color like for a vision board and then do like cursive over it, because that's what I've been doing a lot. So we will definitely see. I know for 2020 I just want it to look cute, like just nice handwriting, and then after that for vision board I want it to be something different. And then I think last time I made it like squoval, so maybe this time I'll just make it like roundish. We'll see. I'll make a time lapse, and then after that we'll check in and see what I actually want to do for like the actual vision board. Okay, you guys, so this is the label I've decided to go to with my 2020 vision board. I just feel like this one, I want it to be kind of simple because I want the pictures to speak for themselves and the goals in general. So I don't know if I'm going to do all of my goals in just purple or if I'm going to do them in different colors. So we'll see how it goes. I do have blank paper again to write my goals out. So I'm going to try different types, another time lapse, but like I'm going to try different like utensils and things like that so that I could write out all my goals and things like that. So we'll see how it goes. I think what I'm going to do is I have 10 goals, right? But I'm going to like chop them up. So if it has like an and, so like start journaling every night, instead of every night I'm just going to put start journaling, and maintain a 4-point GPA. On my vision board I'll just put 4-point GPA. Going to be like that, where I like chop so it just fills up the whole thing, you know what I mean? So that's going to be another time lapse, but I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I really like how it turned out. I just feel like it's going to be very like nice. I don't know if I'm going to round the edges or not. I feel like maybe not. I like it how it looks. Okay, you guys. So, I have written out all of my goals. I have my 2021 vision board label. All of my goals are out here. And then the next step is just to cut out all of my different collage pictures. Honestly, I really don't care that it says pig collage on it, to be honest with you guys. I just really don't care. If you guys are wondering how I made the collage, basically I just made it standard. What I ended up doing was I just like the limit to making one collage in pig collage is 20 pictures. So each of these have 20 pictures, and that means I have 40 pictures in total. So basically how I did it was I just chose 20 pictures, and then I just chose the standard stuff, and then instead of it having like a clear, like a white border, I just expanded the border so that it would be just a clear picture. Anyways, I'm listening to Latino music if you're wondering. Okay, you guys, so I cut all of the pictures out. Now it's time to like, I think I want to separate them off camera to see what side I want to put them on, and then we're gonna put this on. So the order that I'm gonna put it in is this first, then this, and then we're gonna put all of these, and then we're gonna be done with putting it up. So I'm gonna put the glue just around the edges and not in the center so that it's like a little bit easier to take off, maybe? I don't even know. Maybe that's what I'm gonna have to do just to make sure that I take it off, because it was easy to take off from this year, but like it could have been a lot easier, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh, you guys, you can see that I've been listening to Taylor Swift's new album on Spotify. Anyways, look you guys, I finished my 2021 vision board and I love it. I love the theme, I love the photos, I love how the fonts are a little bit bigger than last year's. I didn't know if I wanted it to be bigger than last year's, like this year's, but I'm gonna just say last year's. I didn't know if I wanted it to be bigger or like the font being smaller, but honestly, I love it. Comment down below which one you like better, my 2020 or 2021 vision board. I would love to know. But this is it, you guys. This is how it looks. I love it. And it looks amazing. And I'm really excited for this to be like my new background of my videos. And I just think it looks amazing. I love the simpleness of this and then the simpleness of everything else. And then the video, like the photos just speaking for themselves. One of my favorites is this one right here, this little kid with Down syndrome. And he has like a little watermelon. He's smiling. It's so cute. So yeah, stay tuned for next week's video because it is me going more in depth on all of the things that you guys see on here. It's like 100 subscribers, my size, the GPA, things like that. I'm going to go into specifics on how I chose what specific goals I wanted to do for this year. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love how it looks. I'm very excited to see how it looks overall and if I get sick of it, because I never got sick of my 2020 vision board, so I don't think I'm gonna get sick of this one, hopefully. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. Once you do that, number one, you won't miss another one of my videos, and number two, you will be part of the hashtag Angels notification team, and I will give you a shout out at the end of each video. I'm probably going to start doing it in 2021, but I'm just getting excited for everything. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog and next week's Sunday high production video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.